Where's the paint bucket tool in Photoshop? Well, it's beneath the gradient tool. You can just see it here, paint bucket tool. So select that. Once you've done that, you've got options here for foreground. You've also got blending modes. You've got normal, multiply, color burn, all those ones. Also opacity. You can set that to 100% or 50%. And you've also got a tolerance. 20 is the default. Just set the color. So I'm just going to go and set here via swatches. You can set any of these colors, so orange, green, etc. And the key thing is it's here. You can click there and set the color as well there. The foreground color or the fill color. And click. And it's applied. That's it. However, because there's many options here, you can go over here, maybe set it to blue, and you can apply it again. Or maybe go for, say, red. Apply it again. Now, you might not want it applied all across the entire document. Well, you can limit it. Just go here to the rectangular marquee tool or the elliptical one and create a selection. And again, just go and select a colour there, maybe yellow. And again, go back here to the paint bucket tool and apply it just to that area. So you can limit it. You can also invert it as well, that selection. So select and deselect. However, you might decide, well, I want to fill it all, the whole side. So I'm going to go with black. So with black, now I can click there and you can see what happens. It stops, hits this point. No, it can't go any further. However, what you can do, set the tolerance. Just push it up to 255. Just set it up there, 255. And then click there and it's applied to the entire thing. It just ignores everything. Just goes through it. So if you've got an image or something and you want it completely filled, just set that to 255. However, let's put that back down to 20. That's a more realistic figure. Again, what you can do, maybe set there red and click and you've filled that. But you've got blend modes as well. So you can go over here and maybe go for multiply. So you don't have to use normal. You can go for multiply and you can click there and you can see when you do that, it just gets slightly darker. And again, slightly darker again. And you can click it 3, 4, 10 times. And each time you do it, it will get darker and darker and darker. And of course, you can use other ones as well. You've got blend modes, various ones, overlays, difference, etc. as well. However, you've also got pattern. So you can go up here, you don't have to just use foregrounds, you can use patterns. And there's an option here, as soon as you go for that pattern, maybe this one. So select, obviously you will have a different set of patterns. Well, with this, you can just apply this. So again, this time I'm just going to go back to normal, going to set the tolerance there, and I can click there, and I can apply this. Unfortunately, there's no scale, there's no rotate feature. It'd be really nice if there was, but there isn't. So you can simply just apply this, or you can undo and select a different one, maybe this image. Anything can go into these patterns, and there's a whole thousands and different patterns, and you can just apply it very quickly. And again, use a selection. So here, just go there, just go for rectangular, create that, and again, go here to the paint bucket tool, got that selected, pattern there, and just apply. And you can see you've got that image there. And again, select and deselect, and you can apply again. So click there and it applies obviously over the entire image. But you might decide, you know what, let's just go for a different one. Maybe go for this one. And again, there, apply it. And you can see now, again, it's limited by that. And obviously, it creates a bit of a mess there. Again, just vary the tolerance setting for that. Or again, create a selection and go selection around that and select and inverse and apply again this paint bucket and just apply it like that. So you can fill it with all kinds of different things. Select and deselect. Well, I hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.